Good morning, students. Today we are going to read lesson number 5, page number 54. Okay, so I moved easily along the berth and felt for the window ledge. The window was open. I faced it, pretending to study the landscape. Along with berth seat. Okay, so the narrator moved easily along the berth means with the help of the seat, and he felt for the window ledge, and then he felt for the window corner. Ledge means corner. The window was opened, and the window was open, and I faced it, and the narrator sat on the seat by facing the window. Pretending means false showing, and he was showing like that he studied the landscape. Landscape means picture of an area, that what is outside. Okay, what is outside he can see out of the window. So he was showing like that he can see what is out of the window. In my mind's eyes, it means in my eye, I could see the telegraph post. Telegraph post में बच्चे post box in which we put a letter. Flashing means moving very fast. So as you know, the narrator can see firstly, so he know what is the scene out of the window. So in his mind he can see that that post box, they are moving very fast. Have you noticed? I said. And then the narrator asked the girl, have you noticed that the tall trees seems to be moving while we seem to be standing still? And the narrator asked the girl, have you noticed that outside the window it is looking that the tall trees, they are moving so fast and we are standing still at the same place? That always happen, she said. The girl said, yes, it always happened. I turned from the window and faced the girl, and the narrator, he turned from the window and he started to look the girl. And for a while means for some time, and for some time we sat in silence. We means narrator and the girl, they sat in silence means quiet. They both sat quiet. You have an interesting face, I said. It was a safe remark. And the narrator said the girl that you has an interesting means attractive face, and he said this thing because he thought that it was a safe remark, that if I am looking to the girl and if I will say that you are a very pretty, then it will be a safe remark. Oh, so you do have a pretty face, thought I, and aloud I said, well, an interesting face can also be pretty. Oh, so you do have a pretty face, I thought. So I thought, after the narrator thought that I said that girl also have a pretty face, and then he said aloudly that interesting face means that she is also pretty. You are very gallant. Gallant means brave. And the girl said that you are very brave. But why are you so serious? Thank goodness it is a short journey. And then the narrator said that thank God that it was a short journey. I can't bear means tolerate. I can't tolerate to sit in a train for more than 2 or 3 hours. Why? Because if he will sit there more than 2 or 3 hours, the girl will know that the narrator is blind. But I was prepared. Prepared means ready. But I was ready to sit there just to listen her talking. But the narrator was ready to sit there because he want to listen her talking. He want to talk with her. Her voice had all the sparkle of a mountain stream. Sparkle means shining. He said that her voice was very attractive. It was like a shining of a mountain stream. As soon as she would leave the train, she would forget our brief meeting. Brief means short. And the narrator said that as soon as, it means how soon, when she would leave. It means when she will leave the train, she will forget our short meeting. It means he will forget me and our meeting. But I knew I would remember it for some days to come. But I know that I will remember this meeting for some days. The engine's whistle shrugged. Shrug means loud voice. The carriage is बच्चे train. carriage train. The carriage wheels changed their sound and rhythm. Rhythm means pattern of sound. The girl got up to collect her things. Then, now the train was going to stop, so the engine gave a loud voice of whistle, and the train wheels and the carriage wheel means and the train wheels, they changed their sound. It means now it was going to stop, so they changed their sound, and the rhythm means the pattern of the sound. Okay, and the rhythm of the train that also changed. And then girl, she got up means stood, she stood to collect her things. I wonder means surprise, if she wore her hair in a bun, or if it hung down loose over her shoulders, or if it was cut very short. And now the narrator was thinking that the girl, she wore her hair in a bun, that she have tied her hair, or it hung down, and then her hair was loose over her shoulder, or they are very short and they are cut in a very short. So he was thinking about the hair of the girl. The train drew slowly into the station, and the train drew means come slowly into the station, and then she stopped. Outside, there was the shouting of the porters and vendors. Porters means बच्चे, the person who carries our luggage. Vendors, the person who sell the things. Okay, at the platform. So outside there was the shouting of the porters and vendors at the carriage door means at the train door, and the high pitch means loud voice, high pitch, loud voice, female voice, that must have belonged to the girl's aunt. Goodbye, said the girl, he said, and there was a loud voice of a female. Maybe that voice was of the girl's aunt. And then the girl said goodbye.